What would happen if the Earth stopped spinning? It could be possible that one day, billions of years from now, the Earth will stand still. But chances are good that other events will occur before that, such as the Sun swallowing up the planet. With that being said, there isn't a chance that the Earth will suddenly stop spinning anytime soon. But let's just assume for a moment that the Earth did suddenly stop rotating, and take a look at what would happen to us and the planet. Our planet spins at its equator 1,000 miles per hour as it orbits the Sun. But as you get closer to the poles, the rotation is slower, of darkness. But for the purpose of this mind experiment, let's take a look at the effects it would have on our planet to be tidally locked to our star, the Sun. First of all, we have to consider the speed of which our planet rotates at the equator, which is roughly 1,000 miles per hour. A sudden pause would cause everything on the surface of the Earth to suddenly move at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour, 1,600 kilometers per hour, in a sideways direction. Since the velocity needed to escape the Earth's gravity is over 24,800 miles per hour, everything would stay tacked to the Earth's surface, yet jolted forward. Imagine everything suddenly moving across the planet at 1,000 miles per hour. It wouldn't matter what it was. Everything would experience a sideways deceleration of 3/4 of the Earth's gravity. Suddenly, down would be at an angle of 38 degrees from vertical. The force of suddenly stopping would rip buildings right off their foundations and send them flying across the ground with anything else that isn't solid bedrock, destroying everything in a giant and deadly debris path. But that's not all. This would also include the oceans, which would suddenly slosh sideways across the planet, with waves being miles and miles high, moving at the same velocity. Imagine tsunamis so high, you couldn't see the top,